Right, 15-year-old Toyota Hilux. We've got the tub off, so I thought it might be interesting to show you where they rot away. The first cross member from the back on both sides, there is quite significant corrosion. Great big holes I can put my hand through. The fuel tank cross member on this side is quite badly corroded at both sides, right along to the middle. At the far end there, it seems to have avoided corrosion, but seeing as the fuel tank filler neck was leaking, that's probably saved it a bit. Now, the reason we chose to take our body off was because we were aware that there was some rot in this fuel tank cross member, a place where the Hiluxes are known to go, and it is going to be easier to repair that with the tub off. But we also wanted to find out where this little fuel leak was coming from, and I think we've found that out. So these are the repairs that we've done to the chassis. We chiselled and ground the original brackets and plates off the top here, made some new ones and welded them back on, having first plated the chassis. And we took this fuel tank cross member off. So to repair this fuel tank cross member, we cut it in half here. We took it off the chassis, having first taken this strengthening bracket off, rebuilt it on the bench with some substantial plate, and then welded it back together and welded it on. A good and permanent repair.